Welcome to Tailor Market NG. Are you still struggling with why you need a dress form? Why guess when you can create with precision? Save time, reduce fabric waste, and wow your clients with perfect fits every time. As a fashion designer, your dress form is more than just a tool, it's your creative partner. It helps you visualize your designs, test the fit and drape, and make accurate adjustments before you even cut into your fabric. With a dress form, you can drape freely, experiment with new styles, and bring your ideas to life with precision. It saves you time, prevents fabric waste, and makes your garments look more professional. And when it's time to show off your work, a dress form displays your designs beautifully. Every designer deserves the confidence that comes with working on a dress form, because it's not just about sewing, it's about creating fashion that fits and inspires. Do you own a dress form? Share with us one thing that makes your dress form an indispensable tool.